Hey guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. Today's a really quick one. I just wanted to show you I'm really excited about this. A find at Goodwill, $5.99. It was on the very top shelf. I always say look up top. You ready? Ready. Oops. It's from We Are Memory Keepers. It's a mini evolution. It says it has 64 pieces. It doesn't because it's been used, but it does have some items in here. It is a mini. It's like this. A little cutter. So here's what's in it. Look how cute. It's got a little cutter. It's got a little suction thingy. Time with. This was in it, but it's not. I think whoever had it before just it ended up in there because this can't go through this cutter. So that's a bonus. Bonus buy. Let's see what else came with it. Came with 2 plates, cutting plates. There's no instructions. Another cutting plate. I'm guessing one's an embossing plate. I'm not sure which is which. Embossing folders. It came with 2 little mini ones, which is great because I don't. Little polka dot one. I don't have them for the Spellbinders one. Do I? I don't think I do. Little thin embossing. Anyway, let's see what this sucker's worth. It's called the mini evolution. Comes up here. It says paper cutter. $51 on Amazon. So apparently it does come with, when you get, comes with little cutters or little die cuts, little circle die cuts. Anyway, $51, guys. I got it for $5, $4.99, $5.99, $6. So let's check this puppy out. Great deal. I'm not gonna. Oh, it does suction to this. I didn't think it would suction to this. Push it down, it suctions right to it. I didn't know. Does this one do that? Shut up. This one does it too. I didn't realize it would on that. Okay. Let's do, first things first, we'll try. They even came with a little paper cut, already cut. Pre-cut paper. I don't know the sandwich, I haven't tried it yet. Hopefully it's not broken. Oh, it unstuck. Sorry about the shaking. This doesn't really feel tight. Oh, it's tight. Let's see how good it is. What does this say? This says E and B. C. I don't know where the A is. Did it work? Oh, it works really well. That's so cool. All right, I'm not going to do the other one. I do want to try it with cutting. So let's find a little die. We'll try this happy birthday one. That sandwich is not right. Taco, you okay? Good. That didn't work. I can tell you right now, that's not working. It's very thin going through. Yeah. No. Alright, that's all it came with. So I'm going to take plates from my Spellbinders one and see if I can fatten it up a little bit. Alright, we got that. This might be a bit of a bummer. That won't fit. All about experimenting here. Try to save paper by putting it there. Every time I do a video, you gotta do that? Nope, doing nothing. Nope, that won't even fit. Alright, I'm going to play with this. I'll be back. Alright, I'm going to try and put this paper under it. I watched the video. Apparently there's something missing from it. Let's see if I shim it, if it works. It started to work. Son of a gun, I moved it now. Alright, so yes, was it a good find? Of course it was. I wonder. Nope. Feels a little tight. Here we go. That worked. Alright, so unfortunately it doesn't have all the plates with it, but for $6, what do you want? It's most unfortunate. However, it did cut. Cut really well, actually. Happy birthday, if anybody's birthday just happened. So, now I know. I'll keep these with it. So for cutting, so that worked out good, guys. Woo! Deal. A steal of a deal. Telling you, Goodwill doesn't know what they have sometimes. Sometimes they extremely overprice things. Like, I saw some Dollar Tree vinyl in there they had for like $2.99 when it's only $1.25. So they don't know. They need somebody in there that knows what's what. But anyway, good deal, guys. Goodwill. make sure you look up on the top shelf, because that's what I did. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, I wanted to add this in also. I'm going to try this out real quick in the big kit to see how it cuts out, because like I said, I found this in the box. And if you're wondering what I'm going to do with that one, because I already have one, I don't need two. Probably going to send that one up to Sarah if she wants it. I don't know. Otherwise, I'll have to. So let me cut this out and we'll see what it looks like in a minute. Alrighty, had to run it through a few times because it is an intricate die. However, a little piece is stuck here. It's one of those regular dies. It's going to take a lot of finagling to get all these pieces out. Let's see. I hate these dies like this. They'd be so pretty if they just worked. I don't like to have to put too much work into it. Looks like I'm going to have to with this one. Anyway, you get the gist, I think. It's a leaf. It's like a maple leaf. I could be wrong as to what kind of leaf it is, but anyway, you get the point. That's what it is. Next video, guys, we're going to finish out the folio thing. I don't know if I said it already or not. The folio I made for my friend. I printed out the pictures. It looks phenomenal with the pictures inside. And so yeah, I need to make it a home. So we're going to do the folio holder in the next video. I'm going to record it after this, actually. Anyway, I'm not fussing with this, but yeah, I don't know that I'll use this because all the time it just took just to do that a little bit. So we'll see. This will be a cool little fall thing though. But anyway, that's the video for today, guys. That machine might end up up at Sarah's. It's probably where it's going to go. And if she wants it. That's it, guys. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already, like I said, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.